Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into NURALABS, a new project featuring the NURA token, which is currently offering a pre-sale opportunity. This project is based on the Ethereum blockchain and includes a T2E, or train to earn game. Oh, what exactly is NURALABS? Well, it's a project with a clear vision and mission, focusing on innovative technology, and it aims to solve a specific problem, and will provide a glimpse into the team's background. ETs delve deeper into the NURA token itself. It serves a specific purpose within the NURALABS ecosystem, and has defined tokenomics, including its total supply, distribution strategy, and whether there's a token burning mechanism. We'll also discuss its utility within both the NURALABS environment and, of course, that train to earn game, along with the benefits of actually holding NURA. Speaking of the train to earn game, let's explore the concept. We'll explain how players can earn NURA tokens, touching on game features, the mechanics of the gameplay, and who the target audience is for this unique experience. NURALABS offers its own wallet and app on ETH, so let's introduce the NURALABS wallet, covering its main functions for storing, sending, and receiving NURA. We'll show how it integrates directly with the T2E game and the ETH app. Plus, we'll highlight the security features. Now, let's discuss the specifics of the NURA token pre-sale. We'll cover the start and end dates, the price of each NURA token during this period, the minimum and maximum purchase amounts allowed, and which cryptocurrencies are accepted, such as ETH and USDT. We'll also share the official pre-sale platform or website link. Easy to buy? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to create a NURALABS wallet or use a compatible ETH wallet like MetaMask. Next, acquire ETH or the accepted cryptocurrency. Visit the official pre-sale website, connect your wallet, and then participate in the pre-sale by swapping your ETH for NURA. Make sure to verify the transaction and receive your NURA tokens. And remember those important security precautions. Before you jump in, let's address the risks. We need to emphasize the importance of conducting your own thorough research, or DYR. Look for links to the white paper and audit reports if available. Please remember, there are absolutely no guarantees of profit in the crypto world. Okaying ahead, let's talk about the NURALABS roadmap and future plans. We'll outline the key milestones for the project, explore the development plans for the train to earn game and the overall platform, and discuss potential partnerships and collaborations. In conclusion, let's recap the NURALABS project and the NURA token opportunity. We encourage you to visit their website to learn even more, and if you're interested, participate in the pre-sale, but only after conducting thorough research and being aware of the risks. Lastly, consider joining the NURALABS community on platforms like Telegram and Discord. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.